Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Simone if you're new here. Today's video is going to be how I do my contour. Nice and simple, a cream and powdered contour together. So if you guys want to see how I achieve my contour look, then just keep on watching. So I've just prepped my skin using my Ember Release moisturizer and my MAC Cosmetics strobe cream. And now I'm going to do foundation. Today I'm going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear. Not going to show you guys how I do that. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly do my base and I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. I've just done my foundation. I've just used my Estee Lauder Double Wear and I popped a little bit of concealer on. I just used a mixture of my Inglot concealer as well as a Maybelline Fit Me. And all I've done is just powdered under the eyes. Now, I'm going to go in using my Australis contour palette and I'm going to use this little brush from Sephora. It's like a little triangle shaped brush, and I'm going to go in using the darkest shade and I'm going to pop that right on my cheekbones. I'm going to use this other little Sephora brush which is similar sort of shape, just larger, to blend that out. So the hollows of my cheekbone is here. I'm gonna pop it just above so I don't have, like, just to make sure that I don't drag it down too low. And then I'm gonna pat that in to blend it. We don't wanna like drag it this way. I just kind of wanna pat it, and I'm gonna sort of pat it upwards a little bit. And I want the most amount of that color to be at this side and then to blend out seamlessly. And then I'm gonna go back in using the same brush that I used for my foundation, and I'm just going to pat over the top. I'm just doing this very, very lightly handed, and I'm just going to blend. I'm just going to do the same on the other side. Now on camera, this does look a lot more like harsh and slightly more orange. It's picking up the line a lot more, but in real life, that is quite a nice gradient. So again, just tapping over the top with that brush that had the foundation on it. And then I've got a little bit left on that brush, and I'm just going to lightly go down the side of my nose. And tip. I don't really need much at all on my nose. I mainly just need it a little bit like here. So that's pretty much all I'll do for the nose. And then for the forehead, I do the same process, just tapping a little bit around the forehead and then blending that. And I'll blend it right into the hairline. Now with the hairline, I usually have a little bit more pressure with the brush, and I do sort of buff it in a bit of a circular motion. So that's how I would cream contour my face. And the reason why I didn't put the product straight into the hollows of my cheek here is because if I had have done that, the bronzing, the contour would have been further down. It would just drag my face down further. So that's why we've popped it on top of the cheekbone and then blended it out there. Now I also like to use a powder contour as well. So I'm gonna be using this contour shade from my Smashbox palette. I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush and I just use a small amount and I'm just gonna pop that just on the outer corner, just on top of exactly where I put that cream contour. I haven't added any extra product, I'm just blending to make sure that that's nice and seamless. So with the bronzer, I like to drag that a little bit down over my, the apple, see? The apple of my cheek as well. But I like to make sure that I place the most amount of product just on this side here. And this one has a little bit of a sheen to it. Can you see that it's a bit highlighted there? That's why I love this this bronzer so much. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this Too Faced brush, and this just has my, what do you call it, setting powder, Laura Mercier setting powder. And I'm just going to blend that in all over my face just to set everywhere. I'm quite an oily skin type, so I like to set my whole face. I had already set under my eyes for my concealer because I didn't want that to crease while I was bronzing the rest of my face. And once I've done that, I'm going to use my blush. I'm going to use the Rockateur blush by Benefit. This is my favorite one. Look, it's almost out. And I'm just going to use this brush as well. So I like to focus this on the apples of my cheeks and then just drag it up just a little bit. And then for highlighter today, I'm going to be using my Bobbi Brown Pink Glow highlight. And I like to just use a big fluffy brush, so I'm going to use the same one. And again, I'm going to focus that on the apples of my cheeks and blend it up towards my eyebrow. And then just down my nose as well. And I'm just going to use my finger to do my Cupid's bow. I also like to do my temples too. I just do a light brush over the sides of my temples there. And that's how I like to contour my face. So nice and quick and simple. Nothing too over the top. I do use a mixture of cream and powder. I like to use a mixture of cream and powdered bronzers. So I find that the Australis one is a little bit orange, and this one here is a really good sort of neutral shade for contour wise. So I usually use both. Sometimes if I'm like really just running out of time, I'll just use bronzer. I won't bother contouring. I only really contour if I'm going out, not really for like everyday type stuff. But yeah, so I hope you guys like seeing this contour video. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll see you guys in a minute. So thanks for watching, guys. I've just gone and done the rest of my face, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I do my contour. This is just a basic contour that I do for like a night out. But yeah, so if you guys liked it, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Give my channel a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week.